The experience at the optimization workshop was freaking amazing. As an e-commerce business, we're always looking for different things to test or implement, or different split test opportunities. And a lot of times when you're the only one with eyes on your site, sometimes things are hard to see and ideas get harder and harder to come by. So to get people's eyes on your site that actually have experience and know what they're talking about was an absolute game changer. It was a really awesome experience.
These are relationships in here. You can tell the guys are genuine. They literally mean what they say when they're talking to you.
It's content.
Awesome speakers, great content, very actionable stuff, very detailed.
They are constantly testing things, they're implementing things in their own stores, and because they're constantly testing, you're always going to learn the things that are the most important and the most impactful at this moment.
There was just this level of collaboration and camaraderie that you don't find at lots of other events. I'm fired up, man. I'm coming back to a future event.
This event was amazing. I love my BGS family here. Thanks, everybody.